In this video I am showing you how you can mute someone's Instagram post without unfollowing them. So firstly what you need to do to mute someone's post without unfollowing them is you have to open the person's profile, and after opening the person's profile you can see the following button. Simply tap on the following button and here you can find the mute option. Tap on the mute and you can enable the mute. Mute the post, or you can mute the story, or you can mute the both. So after after mute the post and stories, you can simply mute this person's Instagram post. So to unmute this person Instagram post, you can simply again tap on this following button, and then here you can find the mute option. So tap on the mute option and here you can toggle off all the option that you want to disable. So that's it at how you can mute someone's Instagram story, and then how you can disable the muted post or a story. So that's it at how you can do this. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get notifications of such new informative video. And also don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Have a good day.